Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to talk about how to protect the spreadsheet that you built on Excel more securely. So let's say that you have built an easy sales order spreadsheet on Excel. You have your item, amount, unit price, unit cost, and these input cells help you to calculate your total revenue, total cost, and profit. So while these cells are input cells, these are formulated cells which takes the data from input cells. You can always wrongfully alter your formulated cells, and it can be really hard to notice. Of course, you can just color your headers in a different color, or you can just fill in a different color for your cells. You can make it bold to make it seem like formulated cells, but still this will not prevent unwanted changes. You can still make a wrong data entry into formulated cells, and it could be really hard to notice whether it is a value or it is a formulated cell. So, what to do? When you notice, you can see little green triangles on the corner. This is a warning of Excel telling us that the formula is unprotected. So what we can do about it is we can go to the review ribbon and then protect the sheet. But before protecting the sheet, I have to talk about a feature of Excel. By default, when you open a new spreadsheet, all cells are set to locked. So what does that mean? Even this is formulated or not, even if you protect your sheet, you can't make an entry, or even if it's an input cell, you can't make any changes. So you have to make sure that all your input cells have to be unlocked, just like this, and all your formulated cells should be locked with a checked next to the locked section. Once you press enter, you will be able to see that the green triangles on the corner are gone. That tells us that these cells are now ready to be locked. So when you set these cells future to locked, all you have to do is go to the review ribbon and then protect your sheet. Once you press on Protect Sheet, you will see a list of what the users can do when the sheet is protected. So for now, let's just carry on with these two properties, and then all you have to do is enter your password. And then it will ask you to re-enter your password. And once you re-enter your password, now you'll see that your sheet is protected, because the option that we see in here is Unprotect Sheet. Now, even if you want to change your formulated cell, you won't be able to. You're going to get a warning like this. However, just because we have removed the lock property from the input cells, now we can make a change in the input cells, but not in the formulated cells. But let's say you noticed a mistake in your formula, or you want to change something back in the formulated cells. So how to do that? All you have to do is click on Unprotect Sheet, enter your password, and then your cells are ready to be changed again. By the way, to protect the sheet, you don't even have to enter a password. You can just simply put this blank and then say OK. And although there is no password, still you won't be able to change the template. And now you can easily unprotect the sheet without entering the password, just by pressing on Unprotect Sheet. And then once you make the necessary changes, you can lock it back, and that's how you will have a solid template. I hope this tip was clear enough to secure your Excel template. Just let me know your opinions on the comment section, and I hope you enjoyed it. See you on the next video.